On this video, we're going to show you the team compliant dashboard for MyLenio. Basically, for this, you can go to the admin on Teams and click on compliance, and you will get a screen like this. And what this is going to be doing, this is going to be showing all of the resources with the original permissions and all of the resources with the permission that you are providing in MyLenio. Once you start adding more permissions to MyLenio, you're going to see this status grow, and up to some point that MyLenio is managing everything on your permissions for your company. So on this, you can check that actually everything is working. Let's say you have an audit from a compliance point of view, and you will be able to come here and check exactly if there is any permission that is missing that should be provided, or if anyone added any external permission to one of those SaaS applications. So here, for example, we know that this user is in the application but doesn't have access in MyLenio. So that's something you have to fix. And that's all for the dashboard. Thank you so much.